Looking for the best design ideas? This video is perfect for you.
Displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are the first time here and you love design, subscribe to Be in Tune.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Do you want to design your space like a pro? We have developed a document containing all the important information you need to know before designing your house. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
His senses and time perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and
If this video was useful, give it a like. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.